Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 55 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch. Before we start, if you want to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone, your watch needs to be paired with an iPhone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the app to send the notifications to our watch. So we need to open the settings on our iPhone. So let's find the settings icon, open the settings. In settings, scroll down to the list of applications. Right here, find the Garmin Connect on it. Right here, Connect, tap on it. And here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Also check if the notifications, the allow notifications is also enabled right here. So Bluetooth in notifications, check if the allow notifications is enabled. Once those two are enabled, we can go back to the settings, scroll all the way up, tap on the Bluetooth option. And here you should see the list of devices connected to your iPhone, my devices list. And on this list, you should see the Forerunner 55. Tap on the info icon next to it. And here make sure that the share system notification option is enabled. So enable it. Once this option is enabled, we can close the settings and then open the Garmin Connect application on our iPhone. In the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the more option. Scroll down, tap on Garmin devices. Oh, my bad. Garmin devices, like this. Here you should see your Forerunner 55 on the list. Tap on it. And now you should see the device page. On this page, tap on the option called Sounds and Alerts. Here, find the option called Smart Notifications. Tap on it. And right here we have two options, general use and during an activity. General use is basically when you're not tracking the activity on your watch, basically using your watch normally. And the during an activities is when you're tracking your activity on your watch, so running, cycling and stuff like that. So first let's tap on general use, and here we can set up or customize the settings for the notifications for the general use. We have show and we can tap on it, and here we can select which types of notifications should be displayed in general use. And we have all, calls and texts only, calls only and off. If you select all of the notifications will be displayed. So app notifications, calls, texts, calendar and stuff like that. If you select calls and texts only, it's gonna only display the notifications about calls and texts. And if you select calls only, of course, it's gonna display only calls. And off will keep them disabled. Select the option you like by tapping on it simply, like that. Next we have privacy, and here we can select press start, gesture or off. Select one of the options by tapping on it. I'm not sure what it does, but I believe is to display the notifications, you will need to either press the start button or perform the wrist gesture if you select the gesture option. And next we have alert, and we have options like tones and vibration and none. If you select tones, basically the watch will beep. If you select vibration, the watch will vibrate. And if you select tones and vibration, it will do both things at once. And if you select none, it will do nothing when you receive the notification. Select the one option, and that's about it. Now we can go back and tap on during an activity. Basically, we have the same settings. We have show, and we can select one of the types, alert, and we can select one of the types, or rather, the sounds. Let's go back. Here in general use, I'm gonna select all instead of text and calls only, because I want to showcase that it's working. So once you're done customizing your settings for the notifications, make sure to go back to the device page, because you will get this pop-up right here that the settings were saved, and your watch will sync with the phone to apply the settings. And now we can close the app. And we should be able to receive the notifications on our phone, or rather on our watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got the notification on our iPhone and also on our watch, so it is working. We can press start/tab button to open the menu. We can clear it here. We can also clear it by pressing this button right here. And if you miss the notifications, you can press the down button on the home screen to open the widgets, then scroll down, find the widget called notifications, select it and press the start/tab to open the notification menu. And here we have the notifications, as you can see. And we can select one, press the start button to basically display it. We can remove it. We can also, I believe, if you press and hold the menu/up button, this should open the menu, and here we can tap on select notifications options, and we can customize some of the options on the watch, basically. Okay. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.